dude, my freaking system is shot. Yeah, basically my car turned off again, so I can't put it in a sport mode, but whatever, I'm just going, man. Look at that, bro. There's a red light right now, fudge. Hey, go in front of me. I'll chase you. Fudge, this guy wants to go for it. Fudge. Let's go for it, let's go for it. So random too, bro. I can't believe I just randomly met. Dude, literally, I was just on the way to Home Depot. I'm still working right now. I forgot to shift again. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a U-turn right now. Hey, when we turn around, 30 mile. Oh, this guy's lit, bro. And plus they're going to Home Depot too, so I'm gonna get to meet them. Let's go. Is everything okay on my car? Fudge. I need to shift. Make sure I need to shift this time. 30 mile. Yeah. What the fuck? That thing smoked my ass. That crap smoked me, dude. That was hella lit. That was hella lit, bro. What the fudge? Dude, that guy's lit, dude. I can't believe, dude, these guys. See, I love people like that. Just don't care. They're chilling. I'm gonna need to blur it out anyways, even though I put my sticky note. Oh, how is he gonna take over this bump? Oh, this is like one of the worst bumps I've seen in SUV. Oh, he actually made it over. Oh, let's park next to this dude. Let's go. Hell yeah, dude. Dang, dude, I'm surprised I never see, dude, I'm always riding around and I never see anyone, like even the guy with the, dude, I'm still on the clock. Oh, dude, you forgot to close his hood. Oh, wait, it doesn't close. Well, I was gonna try to close it for him, but it didn't close. But, dude, we just ran it. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm on the way to Home Depot. This guy pulls up on me, like, and now he's cool with me, and hopefully we can hang out sometime. Dude, I love this dude. Like, his car is so. I love the 720S. Like, I was already like thinking. I was like searching up like the prices of 720Ss. Like, I want one so bad eventually, dude. Clean freaking setup. Oh, dude, I can see it. That was like, I'm gonna be honest, that's so. I never see McLarens out here, especially a 720S. Pulled up next to me, literally told me, let's run it. Like, come on, dude, let's go. I love meeting people like that, dude. Such good vibes. This is like definitely one thing I want one day. Hopefully, one day we can get it, make content in, make POV drives. Like, that's the goal, dude. That's the goal. Dude, I still can't believe it. Dude, I think our 720S, bro, is the dream. Definitely gonna hit up this guy to come ride again. Hopefully this weekend this will be some kind of like McLaren meet. Obviously anyone can come, so we're gonna see. But really dope, dude. I'm gonna ride home with him. Let's go. Oh shit, I wasn't recording this whole time. This guy is so chill. though. My exhaust sounds so quiet. Is my valves open right now? Or is my car tripping? My exhaust sounds so quiet right now. Dude, my car's tripping because I have a flat, like, freaking low tire. Jeez, bro. I can't believe I have a McLaren friend. Let's go. And we're actually, like, we actually vibe. Like, he's actually, like, super down to hang out. And this is, like, I don't know, man. It's, like, really when you put yourself out there, it's a vibe. But might as well do a little cruise with him on the way home. I can't believe I have a McLaren friend, dude. I love McLaren so much. I literally cannot believe I have a, dude, I cannot believe it. That's so awesome. Honestly, dude, like, the amount of people I've been meeting and stuff, like, I'm really excited for the future. Like, I really don't know what to expect, but we're just gonna keep having fun, keep working hard, keep coming up with other ideas, and just keep growing, you know what I mean? I have the rest of my life to get to a certain point where I want to be, you know what I mean? Just gotta keep working hard. It's kind of hot right now, so it doesn't whine as, like, as loud. Oh, it's just... Vibes. He was like revving it for me too, bro. I love, dude, I cannot believe I have a McLaren fan. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be honest though, when I put these valve mufflers, the exhaust got so much quieter, but I didn't care about that, dude. I'm going catalyst this freaking weekend, so I'm vibing. I wasn't even trying to make this video, dude. I'm just doing my job. I'm literally going to Home Depot, grabbing some supplies, and this is the best spot to do this exhaust. I'm gonna turn down my windows. Yes, sir. That guy's pissed, I think. Or he's actually vibing. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Dude, I'm so hyped. I'm so freaking hyped. Like, I did not expect that, like, I don't know, dude. Like, it's so weird because you don't understand. Like, I've been living here for like 6 years and I never see freaking McLarens. Like, never. So for me to see a McLaren, dude, it's like the weirdest thing ever. And not only is it weird for me to see one, it's weird for me to connect with one. Because I didn't have like a car to connect with, you know? Like, no one cared about me before. I'm just some random, like I'm sure if I came up to people with no matter what car I had and it was a good vibe, they would be cool with me, of course. But this car, like, he literally pulled up next to me and it's like, let's go. Like, vibes, dude, vibes. That's freaking. I'm gonna finish off my video. I don't know how much I recorded, but as usual, I record too much. So I'm gonna finish off doing a little pull right here. Sheesh, bro. Man, why is my exhaust so quiet, bro? These valve mufflers really killed it, dude. But realistically, I only got it for cats, because honestly, for cats, like full on straight pipe, cats is like, it's not really the same vibe, you know what I mean? Like, when you go full on straight pipe, you have to have a really good exhaust for it to sound like really, really good. So for me, I don't know what to expect, but I do want to try catless with the stock exhaust and see what happens. So we're gonna see. We're gonna keep experimenting. I'm not gonna stop doing modifications to exhaust just to keep seeing what happens. You know what I mean? But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.